Hello! Today we're going to cook fried chicken wings in a very special way. Those wings look deceivingly simple, yet as soon as you take a bite, you will be blown away by the intensity of the flavor. By drying the chicken wings with wind, a layer of membrane is formed. And this layer would not only add unique texture to our chicken wings, but also help to condense the flavor. It is just wonderful. With literally only chicken and salt as our ingredients, by taking the time to meticulously prepare, we have created something truly irresistible.